me, huh? You go answer me, what is your problem? You go answer me, I don't respect you too much, oh. No, I don't respect you too much, oh. See, this come on. Which kind of nonsense is this? Huh? Which kind of nonsense? Come on, answer. Chief, respect yourself. Come on, answer me. Respect yourself. Come on, respect yourself. Yeah. Respect yourself. Respect yourself. Answer me. I don't keep quiet too much. I don't keep quiet too much. Chief, what is your problem? Huh? That's not the problem here. I don't respect you too much. Huh? I don't respect you. I don't respect you. I don't respect you. Huh? Come on, answer me. What is your problem? You're asking me what is my problem. Yes, what is your problem? You're asking me what is my problem. Yes, what is your problem? So, now bad thing I do, Abi. Now bad thing I do to you, Abi. Now bad thing I do to you, Abi. Now bad thing I do to you. Come on, I get up. You go see her. You see, it work at the end of it. Come on, I don't get it. If you like, run, enter bush. If you like, enter toilet. I go follow you to the until you give me a reasonable answer. You pay for room. You pay for room. I invited 3 girls to come and stay with me. After inviting the 3 girls, in fact, I invited only one girl. She made a mistake. You know how these 2 girls behave. I invited just one person. The girl I put on the oh, you don't have to You invited one person. One girl. You actually be a your generation. Room one another person pay money. I go pay. Room why so pay money 40-something thousand around here and like this room. Give baby room why another son. Let me see how this. Okay, fine and good. They will go, but just give me 7 hours. After 7 hours, go to toilet inside any of this bush. 7 hours. 7 hours. They will now go. You can now come inside. I might here promote the room. I should give you 7 hours. You might have a promote the room. For room why pay for? Come on, so much now that I will. How can any bed motor Russia? They don't draw because you pronounce no any bed. Draw so walk and draw so Takasha. What can you put draw even in the nation? Give them next 7 hours. I love this blood on issues. I love this. I'm not You are too wicked. Very, very wicked. Oh, no, huh? Oh, no, okay. I'm a frost now. What are you doing? I'm a new son. Take your new. Look at the show to say you like him. Hello, dinner sense. Okay. You ain't gonna follow over. Okay, but I'm sorry. I said I'm sorry now. You got to get to Pomasha. Huh? You got to get to Pomasha. I'm got to put my chin. Okay, let's settle. I will not go room. Chief, create your content. I get taken. Okay, fine. Fine. Just give me. I said 7 hours before. Now give me 6 hours. Huh? 6 hours. I'm a wild in the Guinea. I get drogo television. 6 hours. 6 hours. So you put fine. You paid for the room. You want us to do content there? Fine. I don't want us to go there. This is apartment. People are watching us. Let me now go. 5 hours. I'm a new. I'm a new 5 hours. You got your nigga con naga. You got your panyo. You got your cock. 5 hours. Come get your room. Because I would like to create content. Okay. 5 hours. I rent to room. I say, may we stay there. Create content for betterment of our future. I said, okay, fine. You want us to stay there and create content? Yes. And you cannot give me 5 hours then to do my own content. Fine and good. Lungi. Chief Imo, what I will do now, if you say you will not give me 5 hours, now let's go to the room. I will create the content in your press. I'm a new guy. I'm a new. I'm if I'm getting you with the first share new. Hamaka, Aliana Jing, in a crowd. And I told him that the whole day, and I told him, when you're not here, I'm going to room. It just, it will go room. I'm a Pomanian. It will go room here. I know who paid for this room. Then allow me. Here you walk in and walk here. Yeah, this is what a man do. This is what a man do. Yes. You wake up a manual. It has to do with you. Have a manual here. Since you don't want, I will stay in your front and create the content. Nonsense. I try to more good Roshi. You get one on you, manual. I could come up, I could come to Leo. I must come kid to them, no Gana like a Ganano. Must be kid to Ganano Nano. But I get cake, I get what I'm to get our boss. Only I would detain, but if not, you come again on you, man. Get your report, Get your name, Kutug.